Welcome to today's video where we dive into a powerful JavaScript tool that can transform the way you handle arrays. The Array.prototype.reduce method. As a cornerstone in modern web development, JavaScript provides a multitude of methods for data manipulation, but none quite as versatile as reduce. Whether you're summing numbers, transforming data structures, or parsing nested arrays, Reduce stands out as an indispensable tool in a developer's toolkit. Today, we'll explore its significance, real-world applications, and how mastering this method can elevate your coding efficiency and expressiveness. Let's start by understanding the mechanics of the array.prototype. Reduce method. At its essence, reduce takes an array and distills it down to a single cumulative value by iterating over each element. It employs a user-defined callback function, which is crucial to its operation. This function takes two primary arguments: the accumulator, which maintains the cumulative result across iterations, and the current element being processed. An optional initial value can also be provided to set the starting point for the accumulator. This method is particularly useful for operations such as summation, data transformation, and flattening nested arrays. However, it can be a challenging concept to master due to its functional nature and reliance on callback functions. Missteps such as choosing an improper initial value or mismanaging state across iterations can lead to unexpected results. Yet, once understood, Reduce becomes a powerful ally in functional programming, promoting cleaner and more maintainable code. To better understand the power of Reduce, let's walk through a practical example. We'll look at a component that uses Reduce to perform summation and aggregation. Consider the following JavaScript code for summing sales figures. Imagine you have a web application showcasing different components of array manipulation using Reduce. As you interact with the app, you'll see a header displaying Enhancing Array Manipulation with Reduce. In the first section, you find the summation of sales figures. The total sales amount is calculated and displayed, along with a list of individual sales figures. Moving on, you encounter a data transformation section where user data is neatly aggregated into an object format. Next, nested arrays are flattened to a single array, demonstrating Reduce's capability in handling nested structures. Finally, in the counting and grouping section, fruit items are counted and grouped, showcasing Reduce's utility in organizing and compiling data. In conclusion, the Array.prototype.reduce method is an indispensable tool for anyone working with JavaScript. Its ability to transform and aggregate data makes it a go-to method for efficient data manipulation. By mastering Reduce, you not only enhance your coding capabilities, but also align with functional programming practices that lead to cleaner and more maintainable code. As you continue to explore JavaScript's array methods, remember the power and potential of Reduce in crafting elegant and powerful solutions. Thank you for joining us today, and happy coding!